Forget everything you thought you knew about buying a Porsche. I'm here to tell you that in September 2025, the smart play isn't sifting through overpriced, problematic used models. We're diving deep into the shocking truth, why new Porsche deals are not just good, but often better than battling the insanity of the pre-owned market. Today we're tackling the Porsche market head-on. If you're dreaming of that iconic flat-six roar or the silent power of an electric Taycan, stick around because this could save you thousands or even tens of thousands. And if you're new here, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more myth-busting content like this. Let's set the scene. It's September 2025, and the auto industry is in a wild flux. Post-pandemic supply chain issues have eased, but inflation, interest rates, and shifting consumer demands are shaking things up. New car production is ramping up, leading to more inventory on dealer lots. Meanwhile, the used car market, remember that crazy bubble from 2021 to 2023, is finally showing cracks. According to recent reports from sources like CarEdge and AOL, used car prices are stabilizing or even dipping slightly, with the average used vehicle listing at around $25,128 as of April 2025, but seasonal upticks are happening now. Videos from YouTubers like those on the Ready for Reset channel are calling it. The car market bubble is set to burst any day. Dealerships are snatching up used inventory, but overall, experts predict fewer in-market buyers over the next 5 years, which could lead to softer prices. Remember when used cars were gold during the chip shortage? Prices skyrocketed. Some models fetched more used than new. But fast forward to now, inventory is building and that bubble is deflating. Reddit threads and forums like 13X are buzzing about it. One user noted that manufacturers squeezed consumers post-COVID, but now buyers are pushing back. A YouTube video titled "It's Over, the car market bubble just popped" has over 445K views, detailing how new and used vehicle markets are normalizing for fall 2025. This shift means used Porsches aren't the steal they once seemed, especially with hidden issues lurking. So why focus on Porsche in 2025? Because Porsche's lineup is evolving rapidly. Think the updated 911 Hybrid, the all-electric Macan, and refreshed Cayenne. With federal tax credits like the 7500 EV incentive ending soon on September 30th, 2025, per Porsche Irvine site, now's the time to act on new models. Plus, Porsche's resale values are stellar. The 911 depreciates only about 19.5% over 5 years, topping lists from Robb Report. But as we'll see, new buys might edge out used in total value right now. If this is resonating, drop a like below. It helps the channel grow. All right, let's unpack why going new in 2025 is a game changer. First up, 2025 model year benefits. Porsche is rolling out killer incentives. For the 2025 Macan Electric, leases start at $949 per month for 39 months with $4,929 due at signing, per Porsche's official offers. The gas Macan, same $949 per month, but $7,869 down. Cayenne leases are around $1,249 per month from US News. And don't forget loyalty programs. If you're a current PFS leaseholder, they waive up to $1,000 in excess wear when you upgrade. APRs are competitive too. While specifics vary, Real Car Tips notes poor lease value overall but highlights these deals. In places like Riverside, California, a new Macan leases for $799 per month. These are manufacturer-backed, so they're reliable. Porsche Financial Services PFS has been busy. In May 2025, they issued their first prime auto lease ABS transaction of the year worth $810 million, including EVs, showing strong portfolio health. This translates to better consumer options. TrueCar lists Macan leases at $1,189 per month for 36 months with $2,000 down. Cars Direct has deals as low as $1,303 per month for select trims, plus up to $7,500 in rebates. PFS's updates make financing more accessible, especially with BEVs in the mix. One huge perk, customization. Order a 2025 911 starting at $122,095. Spec it your way. Colors, wheels, interiors, and get that factory fresh feel. Used, you might inherit someone else's spec and a shorter warranty. Peace of mind is priceless. If you're loving this breakdown so far, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly car tips. Turn on notifications so you catch our next video on EV incentives before they vanish. Now flip the script. The used Porsche world isn't all sunshine. Used Porsches can hide nasty surprises. Deferred maintenance, like skipping IMS bearing fixes on older 911s, leads to engine failures costing $10K plus. Tires, brakes, and suspensions wear faster on these performance machines. A 2020 Taycan might seem cheap, but battery health checks are crucial, and repairs aren't cheap. Forums like Taycan Forum warn that used models lose 40% value in 2 years. It's roulette. Will you get a lemon? Porsches hold value better than most, average 25% depreciation in 3 years per the money calculator. But used ones, higher mileage examples tank faster. SlashGare notes some models like the Panamera depreciate badly, while 911s hold strong. IC Cars ranks Porsche high with 718 Cayman at 79.7 resale value after 5 years. Still, a used 2022 might depreciate more if market floods. Hunting the perfect used Porsche? It takes time. Months scouring listings, inspections, negotiations. Meanwhile, new deals like that $7,500 tax credit slip away. Reddit users debate a used 2024S at 61K euros versus new 2025. The wait might cost you in opportunity. Patience has a premium. New gets you driving sooner. Let's crunch numbers. True cost of ownership. Take a 2025 Macan lease, $949 per month plus incentives. Total over 39 months, around $42,000, including down payment. A used 2022 Macan might cost $50K up front, but add $5K in repairs, higher insurance, new is pricier but used risks hikes, and 7% annual depreciation. Per Porsche San Antonio, used has lower entry but bulk depreciation already hit. New avoids that initial drop. Net, new often wins with incentives. New 2025 models pack latest tech, improved infotainment, ADS, efficiency. Used, you miss out on 2025 updates like hybrid 911 tech. Reliability, new starts fresh. Used might have wear. Arrowhead Import says Porsches hold value due to heritage, but new future-proofs better. Intangibles matter. That new car smell, being first owner, custom specs. Porsche Warwick notes new ensures higher but feels premium. It's the experience, pristine, no prior dings. If this is changing how you see Porsches, like and subscribe. Share in comments, new or used for you. So, who benefits most? Let's expand. Who is a new 2025 Porsche really for now? Identifying the ideal buyer benefiting from current market conditions. New is ideal for leasers wanting low payments, EV buyers grabbing tax credits, or those valuing warranty and customization. If you're in a bursting used market but want reliability, new shines. Per Renlist, value varies by model. 911 GT3 best value. Steps: 1. Check Porsche.com for offers. 2. Use TrueCar or KBB for local deals. 3. For used, get PPI. 4. Calculate TCO with depreciation tools. 5. Negotiate. Dealers have inventory. The 2025 Porsche Paradox. New often trumps used with deals, tech, and peace of mind. Reevaluate. Don't chase used myths. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment your Porsche dreams. Hit the bell for more. Drive safe.